Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. This is part 2, how to make insane After Effects style transition using CapCut. If you haven't seen part 1 yet, just click the link in the descriptions to watch it. Okay, let's get started. Next, let's add second overlay. This one will bring more color variations. Like this, and then adjust the size, adjust the durations, and then just go to adjust, and then go to HSL, and then just tweak hues the hues to match your desired tone. You can also play around with the brightness, contrast, and highlights until you get that perfect cinematic look. For example, like this. And then next, just tap on mask, and then choose mirror, and then invert like this, and then adjust T mask. For example, like this. And then use keyframes again to animate the mask, make it slide in, appear, and disappear again. This will give you that After Effects style glowing bar movement, like this. Like this. And almost done, just go to Effects, and then Video Effects, and then choose, and then search for Glow 2. This one. Adjust the intensity and size. And then add another effect to your main video. Search for camera, search for shake camera. This one. Adjust the durations. And then if you want stronger movement, just duplicate the effect. It will instantly look more dynamic. Like this. And your video will look like this. Okay, like this. You can make it the transitions more longer than mine to make it more cinematic. And okay, maybe that's it. Your glowing bars and shake After Effects style transitions is ready. You just made a CapCut edit that looks like it came straight out of After Effects all on mobile. Okay, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.